Ito po yung Mind Museum. It's so big. Oo, but it's not tall. Yeah, compared to the other buildings, ganito po siya. Okay, other buildings nearby are so tall. Look at them. They are skyscrapers. So this is the high street na sinatawag nila. Nandyan po yung Wolfgangs. Marami lang. Let's see. Okay, dapat tayo ay lumayo pa. 30th Street and this is 29th. Ayan. Pero nasa 3rd Avenue. Nasa 3rd Ave po kami. Jollibee po sa harap ng Mind Museum. Nandito pala yung pangalan. The name Mind Museum is found here at the side. Yeah. Look at that car. Sports car found usually only at BGC. And if not at BGC, dun po sa Forbes Park. Here you look at them. Marami pong plants, oh. Ito. Dapat dito kami dumaan. To see that museum, the Mind Museum at Taguig. Okay, ito po yun. Ito talaga. The Mind Museum at Taguig, ganito. Tapos andyan po yung Bonifacio High Street. So pupunta po tayo dun sa High Street, ha? Look at that. So 1 Bonifacio High Street. Pasok tayo. Thank you. Okay, going up po tayo. Dito sa High Street Games. Okay, ayan po. Titan. The Titan. American Eagle. Yan, Outfitters. Live your life. Live your life. Ala naman. Why? Am I not living my life? Okay. See? Guys, let's go to Gallery Joaquin. Ganda, Gallery Joaquin. It's an art gallery. Hi, good morning. Art gallery. So that's Habulan ng Baboy ni Norma Belleza. Norma Belleza. Oh, look at this. Ang ganda, no? Wow. That's a metal sculpture. Okay, metal sculpture. Ito naman. Oo, kay Rocha ba? O Roca? Ayan, oh. Ang gagaling, ang gaganda. I like this. Oo, kanino gawa? Gawa po ni Joseph Albao. Is Before Tomorrow. There you go. Ganda. Wow. This one is Sonny Palles painting. And this one is another. It belongs to Almer Moneda. Ilaw ng tahanan, mga ina. Ang mga ilaw ng tahanan. Wow, ang gaganda. Yes po. Good morning. Wow. Beautiful art gallery. KKK. Diba? Ang ganda, no? Anong gallery to? Hello po. Good morning. Wow. Yes, sir. Are these paintings for sale? They are. And how much is one?
We have different artists for that one.
How much? 85,000. Ganito kalaki. And the artist is okay, Palera. I can't read very well. Ayan po. 85,000. I like this one. Yung ganito po. That's nice. Beautiful. Okay, kay Ambit. Ambit. 2022 niya pinaint. Ganda. Look at that. I like that. Gawa ni Ambit. Ito, iba-iba kasi it's a digital TV screen. Okay, and they're selling. Oh, how much? 80,012. Ayun po yung kay Ambit. Yes, konti pong difference ng dalawa, pero 80,000 versus 85,000. Ganyan. So, and they're selling. Thank you po. Oh, look at these paintings. So, these are Filipino artists actually. Yes po. Mga local artists po lahat. Ayan, ayan. So, in a day, nakakabenta naman po.
Not every day.
Okay, not every day, tama. Patsyam. Kasi the amount, no? Ang lalaki ng talaga, presyo. Pag ganito pong kay KK, 550,000. Look, it's like a mural. Mural na po talaga. Okay, pero mas malaking spilyar yung doon sa Sino po yung nagpaint? Si Jores? Torres. Juanito Torres. 2024 lang po. Yeah, and it's 550,000. Oh, see? Come and buy na. Oo, dito lang siya matatagpuan sa High Street, no? High Street at saka sa gallery. Oo, ano pong pangalan ng gallery? Joaquin. Gallery Joaquin. Hindi naman nakukuhanan. Thank you. Pero gusto mo? Thank you. Salamat po. Ayan. Sa Gallery Joaquin. Gallery Joaquin. Nice. Beautiful. See, a golden moment with celebrating. Congratulations.